In this video, we are going to study about the measurement of electrode potential of zinc and copper. Measurement of electrode potential of different electrodes. To measure the electrode potential, electrodes are combined with standard hydrogen electrode because the standard hydrogen electrode SRP value is known, which is 0. First, we will consider zinc electrode. When zinc electrode is connected with She, it becomes anode and the She becomes cathode. So how to decide which is acting as a cathode and which is acting as an anode? The one which is having higher reduction potential, which is acting as a cathode, and the one which is having lower reduction potential, which is acting as anode. Here, in this case, when the zinc is connected with She becomes cathode and zinc becomes anode. Here is the diagrammatic representation. When you look at the diagram, zinc is acting as anode, which is taken in the left side, and the hydrogen electrode, which is taken at right side, that means which is acting as a cathode. Cell representation of zinc electrode when it is combined with She. Zinc undergoes oxidation into Zn2 plus, double bar, which represent salt bridge. H plus, it is undergoing reduction into H2 and which is in contact with platinum foil or platinum electrode. This is the cell representation, and we know that E naught of cell can be calculated by E naught of She minus E naught of Zn2 plus 2 Zn. That means E naught of cell, that is equals to standard reduction potential of She minus the standard reduction potential of zinc electrode. E naught of Zn2 plus 2 Zn is equals to minus E naught of cell, because we know that E naught of She is equals to 0. Therefore, we can write in this manner. Experimentally, it is found that E naught of Zn2 plus 2 Zn is equals to minus 0.76 volt. That means the standard reduction potential of zinc electrode is minus 0.76 volt. Next one is copper electrode. When copper electrode is connected with She, it becomes cathode and the She becomes anode. Again, to decide which is acting as a cathode and which is acting as an anode, we should go for the SRP value of different electrodes. Here, She is becoming anode and copper is becoming cathode because copper is having more SRP value than the hydrogen. That's why copper is acting as a cathode. Here is the representation of the cell. Look at here. Here is the hydrogen electrode, which is left side, that means which is acting as anode, which undergoes oxidation. And right side we have the copper electrode and which is acting as cathode, and here it undergoes reduction. And here we have the potential difference. With this potential difference, we can calculate the SRP value of this copper electrode. The cell representation of copper electrode when it is combined with She. Here is the representation, and we know that hydrogen electrode which is acting as anode, that means we should write it at left side. H2 undergoes oxidation into H plus and double bar represent the salt bridge. Copper 2 plus, it is undergoing reduction into copper and this is nothing but cathode. This is the cell representation. We know that E naught of cell can be calculated by E naught of cathode minus E naught of anode. Here cathode is copper, that is E naught of Cu2 plus 2 Cu, minus anode is She, that is E naught of She. And we know that E naught of She is 0. So E naught of Cu2 plus 2 Cu, that is equals to E naught of cell. The standard reduction potential of copper is equals to the standard cell potential, that is EMF of the cell. And experimentally it is known that the SRP value of copper is 0.34 volt. Nernst equation for the calculation of reduction potential. One method to calculate the reduction potential is combining the given electrode with She. Another one is Nernst equation. How to calculate the reduction potential of different electrodes? By using Nernst equation. Nernst equation for the calculation of reduction potential. For an electrode reaction, Mn plus n electron gives M. Here is the reduction of Mn plus to M. For this reaction, we are going to calculate the reduction potential. The electrode potential at any concentration, that is reduction potential at any concentration, is represented by E Mn plus 2m is equals to E naught of Mn plus 2m minus RT by Nf ln concentration of reduced state divided by the concentration of oxidized state. This is the formula to calculate the electrode potential at any concentration, and this we call it as Nernst equation. Electrode potential Emn plus 2m is equals to E naught of Mn plus 2m minus 2.303 RT by Nf. Here we are converting ln into log. Ln is equals to 2.303 log into concentration of M, that means it is the concentration of reduced state divided by concentration of oxidized state, that is Mn plus. This is the Nernst equation to calculate the electrode potential at any concentration at any temperature T, where E naught of Mn plus 2m is SRP of the electrode, standard reduction potential of electrode. N is the number of electrons involved in the reaction. R is gas constant 8.314 joules per moles per Kelvin. F is farad. It is equals to 96,487 coulomb, or it is nearly equals to 96,500 coulomb. T is temperature in Kelvin. Any temperature can be taken. We know that the concentration of M, which is in solid state, is taken as 1. Always for pure solid, concentration is taken as 1. At 298 Kelvin, the equation changes to E Mn plus 2m is equals to E naught of Mn plus 2m minus 2.303 into 8.314. Instead of R, we are substituting the value 8.314. T is 298 Kelvin divided by Nf. Here F value is 96,487. Keep N as it is because we don't know the value of N, log 1 by Mn plus. Here 1 we are taking because the concentration of M is taken as a unity, divided by Mn plus. E Mn plus 2m is equals to E naught of Mn plus 2m. If you simplify the above equation, it will be 0.0591 divided by n log of 1 by Mn plus. This is the equation, Nernst equation, to calculate the electrode potential at any concentration and at any temperature, and this we call it as Nernst equation for the reduction potential. Nernst equation for the calculation of cell potential of Daniell cell. How to calculate the reduction potential of different electrodes? By using Nernst equation. In previous videos, we have learned that cell potential can be calculated by cell potential is equals to E cathode minus E anode. That means reduction potential of cathode minus reduction potential of anode. Nernst equation to calculate the cell potential. We'll take some of the example. First one is Daniell cell. So the cell representation of Daniell cell is zinc undergoes oxidation, that should be written left side, and it is connected with the salt bridge double bar, and copper undergoes reduction Cu2 plus 2 Cu should be written right side. Cell reaction, zinc undergoes oxidation and copper 2 plus undergoes reduction. Zn plus Cu2 plus gives Zn2 plus. Cu2 plus is reduced to Cu. This is a cell reaction. According to Nernst equation, electrode potential is calculated by E Mn plus 2m is equals to E naught of Mn plus 2m minus 2.303 RT by Nf log of concentration of M, that means it is a reduced state, divided by the concentration of Mn plus means it is oxidized state. Let's do 2 minus 1, equation 2 minus 1. Here we have ECU2 plus 2Cu, the electrode potential of copper minus electrode potential of zinc is equals to E naught of Cu2 plus 2Cu minus E naught of Zn2 plus 2Zn. That means SRP of copper minus SRP of zinc minus 2.303 RT by 2F, which is a common thing. I'll take it outside. Log of 1 by Cu2 plus minus log of 1 by Zn2 plus. Further simplification, we know that this value we are taking, that is this value E cathode minus E anode, we are taking as a cell potential. So we are writing it as E cell is equals to this, we are taking it as E naught of cell. This whole term we are taking it as E naught of cell. Here we are writing it as E naught of cell minus 2.303 RT by 2F. Further simplification, log of Zn2 plus divided by Cu2 plus. This is the Nernst equation for the calculation of cell potential at 298 Kelvin. The above equation, this equation is at any temperature T. Now we are taking the temperature 298 Kelvin. Let's substitute the value of T. We are getting E cell potential is equals to E naught of cell minus 0.0591 divided by 2 log of Zn2 plus divided by Cu2 plus. This is the Nernst equation for the calculation of cell potential for the Daniell cell.